Welcome back, everyone. This week we're at Hendrie. Well, actually, it's been a couple of weeks now because I've been quite busy getting married. So, yeah, that was great. What a perfect day. Yeah, so I'm very happy to announce that yes, I am indeed now a taken man, and I'm hanging up my helmet. I'm never riding again. No, I'm joking. That's a terrible joke. She would never let me do that to her. She'd always let me go out. Like, I think she enjoys me getting out and her having a weekend to herself as much as I enjoy getting out to go ride. So this week we bumped into a fella in the car park. He knew Derek. I can't remember his name though, sadly, because it's now been like 2 weeks. I think it was like Craig or Chris. I'm not sure. Either way, he's pretty damn fast. He's been riding quite a long time, and he certainly shows it up to us. He's just absolutely ripping away. I'm trying. I'm really trying. I can't keep up. Look at him go. He's gone. But it was really cool following him. Unfortunately, though, he had some battery problems. I hope he got it fixed, because he said that the next week he was off to go ride the Grasslands race in America or somewhere. So, I mean, it's kind of serious business. But, well, I hope he fixed his battery. Some of the areas in Hendrie were a little bit overgrown, so you had to really slow down, and there was a lot of other traffic as well. People caught around on 4x4s and ATVs and everything. So, yeah, after a while he had to nip off. We got his bike started. Like, he couldn't jump the bike with the battery because he's got a lithium-ion battery. I'm not sure if those chargers work on those things, but Stephen was managed to be able to kick it over whilst having a lithium-ion battery against his a charger against his battery, and it managed to get the fuel injectors going and bump it off.
Oh,
That was spectacular. Don't worry, I've come to help. Like, I saw this and I was like, and I slowly rolled up. I think I rolled back like a foot and then went around it. Yep, helping Chris here, and I realised I can't actually touch the ground, and yeah, I made everything worse. Anyway, so keep going. It was actually a pretty neat trail. It's very flowy, very fun. I haven't been here in a really long time. Oh, having a little bit too much fun. Little jumps in the woods. Anyway, yeah, so this place is really good fun. There was a lot of patrols going on here. This is the only place I've ever been checked, and they're here again today. Not the police, just trail wardens and stuff. In the times before, the OPP were here with trail wardens checking your insurance and plates and everything. So yeah, I mean, it's all fine. We've got everything. It doesn't matter. Yeah, but this trail was lovely. Almost as lovely as my new wife. I'm probably gonna. I'm happy. Got married. Yeah. Oh, in other news, I got my braces back from Asterisk, so I was really happy about that, because now I can actually grip the bike again. Yatta! Brilliant. Very happy about that. I think, yeah, their service was pretty good, actually. Like, I sent them an email because I was like, oh, I don't want to buy new bloody braces. They're so expensive, and I was so pissed off about them being cracked. So I emailed through to their customer service, and very quickly I got a response. Like, literally 20 minutes later, they're like, yo, where do you live? And I was like, Canada. And they're like, oh, cool, send them over to us and we'll assess them. Oh, Smoky Steve is his new name. He makes us feel a little rich, so we were all just gagging on his oil, smoke for a while. He's new to mixing, it's fine, but was quite rich. Hope he doesn't foul a plug soon. I think he's enjoyed the bike. I had a little blast around on it. Holy fuck, that thing's so smooth. I assume it's the suspension, because this is like a 2015 model, I think, or 2014, so it doesn't have the counterweight, I don't think. So the smoothness comes through the suspension, and I was rather impressed. I was quite jealous, actually. It's got like the cone valved not KYBs, the other one, cone valve WP Explorers, and the exact track on the rear shock as well. Yeah, it's fucking nice. Anyway, so yeah, I emailed through. They're like, yeah, send us down the braces. We'll assess them and let you know how much they cost. So I pinged the braces down in a little box. Cost me $30 to send them down. They did an assessment, said I broke like 3 different things. Like I damaged the joints, and I damaged I cracked through the actual brace part that goes over the leg. And they were like, yeah, it'll be 190 Canadian, including postage back. And their postage back was significantly better than my postage out, I'll put it that way. Yeah, and basically it was like a 3-week turnaround, including all the time waited. So I was actually really impressed. Should have got it done as sooner. Might have even been able to have them at the Chloe's Kingdom race if I had just gone on it immediately. But I was a little slow, and I didn't even really know it was a thing. Very impressed. Good service. Would recommend. So asterisk, great brand, and very responsive customer service. Fully recommend. I mean, I've heard that some of the other brands, that Pod brand, you can repair, yourself repair. Yeah. Swings and roundabouts, I guess. Like, I tried on all the brands that they had at GP Bikes when I went to go try the braces for the first time, and I tried every brand on. I can't remember the Mobius, the Leat, the I don't know if they had the pods there. And the asterisk, and yeah, I was, as soon as I put the asterisk ones on, I was like, oh, these are so much better than the other two. And then yeah, they're a bit more expensive, but it was a gift anyway. Well, a chunk of it was a gift. I still had to pay the rest. So I was like, fuck it, I'll splash out and get them. And yeah, I've had some pretty big crashes, and I'm fairly certain that's why the structural integrity was compromised. Without breaking my leg, so I'll take that, or damaging my knee. So yeah, unfortunately we also had a second breakdown again, so the rope of shame came out. Chris is now pulling Derek back. We couldn't figure out on the trail. We like checked the fuses, but his bike was just like riding for a bit and then just cutting out. Yeah, so he thinks it's the fuel. It was the clip that goes in was just dirty, basically. So that ran the fuel injectors or the fuel pump. I'm not sure. I don't know anything about stuff. Bike just drives forward. Now this was one of my favorite parts. This bit was so nice, just weaving back and forth. It's an absolute joy to ride, and it has a tiny little bit of elevation going up and down, Like, obviously it's not an actual hill climb, it's just these tiny little rises up and down. But oh my god, I was having so much fun riding. I felt like I was going like an absolute rocket ship, but looking back at the video, I'm still slow as hell. It's such a lovely trail. If anyone wants to come to Hendrie, if anyone wants to practice like smooth trails with great flow, just this place is absolutely fantastic. Don't really have a huge amount to say. Just waiting for the Gully Moor race. Was just trying to practice riding smoothly, to be honest. I lowered my front about 1 centimeter as well today, just because I wanted to see what it felt like, and I noticed that it was actually amplifying the difficulty with my my softness of the suspension. So I also raised the compression rate by 2 ticks and the rebound by 1. So the rebound's a little faster and the compression was a little stronger, and that actually stopped my diving in the corners completely, and I felt like I was able to ride a lot more aggressive than I was riding before. And another thing today actually that really impressed me, I remember now that I'm speaking about it, was every time I look back, Chris was like just a few seconds behind me, and he's been like doing a lot of cardio, so it's really paid off. He said that he'd been cycling 25k a day. Well, about 12 to and fro from work, like 5 days a week or something like that. So, yeah, who'd have thought doing lots and lots of cardio on a sport like this actually dramatically improves your ability to ride. So, yeah, fair fucking play to Chris. I hope he keeps it up, because it was really cool to see him like keeping pace, and I really liked that. It made my day even better. And to be fair, like, even Paul wasn't too far behind, but once he got a bit tired, he fell off, which is probably the same problem, and Paul's been doing his cardio as well, so the boys are getting fitter. So I'm gonna have some serious competition soon. So, yeah, I think that'll do for today. Yeah, see ya.